losing myself tonight. Losing myself, I'm losing myself tonight. With your love, with your love, I'm losing myself, losing myself, I'm losing myself tonight. Losing myself, I'm losing myself tonight. With your love, I'm losing myself. I'm losing myself, losing myself, I'm losing myself tonight. Losing myself, I'm losing myself tonight. With your love, with your love, I'm losing myself. With your love, I'm losing myself. How this will end, no, nothing scares me anymore. If we never see tomorrow, babe, if we never make it through today, if we never see tomorrow, babe, I know that I lived how I wanted to.
Alright, issa għadu għafda la ġemba u l-fuq, la ġemba u l-fuq, il-qoddim u l-fuq, skużawni, il-qoddim u l-fuq. Alright, I'm gonna jumping jack.
The lights in here are blinding me. I can't see clearly anymore. I have no fear how this will end. No, nothing scares me anymore. If we never see tomorrow, babe, if we never make it through today, if we never see tomorrow, babe, I know that I lived how I wanted to. If we never see tomorrow, babe, if we never make it through today, if we never see tomorrow, babe, I know that I lived how I wanted to.
3, 2, 1. Alright, rest, put the music, Benilma, ċalbu. Exercises. Alright, mela. First exercise for the dumbbells. We're going to do a bicep curl, turn the weights and down. Turn them again. up, turn them and down. Importanti, l-elbows dejjem fix. Alright, kull ma jċab l-elbows l-isfel. Dak l-ewwel exercise, second exercise. Overhead presses. Alright, ma nizlu dumbbells wara rasna, nollhom dritti. That's the second exercise. Third exercise will be just a forearm exercise now. Then I'm dritti, alright? Meċxu bil-pols il-fuq bil-dumbbells. Alright, then I'm dritti, meċxu bil-pols il-forearm. Neġu neħilbu mbagħad. Għandna exercise, neġu neħilbu bicep, alright? Għamlu hammer curls, ġifieri, mela. Jekk ħanollu li dejt għall-lemin, alright? Għamlu fuq ta' chest ta' xellu. Nizdu and to the other side. Alright? Last exercise, we're going to bend down on the seat now. Alright? Then goes by our side. Idejna minn bodi, iridi morru l-lura. Alright? Nġu dritti, morru l-lura. Kif għedin timmutaw l-arja tarawa għanda l-elbows, għedin ma ġisimha u biex jiċċaqlu l-imdaqin. L-elbows l-isfel. Is-sigrit xinu? We bend, alright? Għanna dritt, il-korpona għaxess il-barra, iktar minn il-bendjaw, iktar id-dejna Alright guys, 5 exercises, 2 rounds, any questions? Alright. Now we're going to start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Lana. Bicep curl, return and down. Return, back up, back down. Very good. Very good, guys. Now, and down. Make it slowly. Għalli ma tenkom ċanku ma tedin nizlu. Ma tedin nizlu specialment bil-mod. Għalli l-gravity ma tux tenkom. Very good. Bravo. Slowly juice, bit more. Għamlu maġlin. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, wara rasna. Għanna dritti, nizdu wara rasna. Nerġgħu nollu. Dritti. Lana. Very good. Ġibom dritti, l-ġekti me l-kolli, u prova drittom. Good, Roset. Anna Isabel. Very good. Annalise. Very good. Famiglia Bontin, Kaya Petol, Udelin. Very good. Għan il-sawx, tkun għazajra saħajna na iktar, nkun xulxin, għalli mux mawġin, ġus. Saqaj kif tagħmlu iktar, ġib l-lura, tibqaqna l-lura. Żomm dar id-dritt, sot, 3, 2, 1, alright, idejna dritti, l-isfel u kull ma għamlu ħanċalqu il-polz il-fuq u l-isfel. Idejk dritti l-isfel, Isabel, mhux mawġin. L-isfel u kull ma ħanċalaq il-polz il-fuq u l-isfel, il-fuq u l-isfel. Għallihom dritti u kolli, dak derin inti. Dritti l-isfel, good, very good. Juice, mar fl-istess. Idejkom dritti l-isfel, ċaqqa l-pols bil-sarawini. Pols bil, very good. Tajba li kli, mar. Kena kħat s-sodajni, very good. Għamlom slowly. 3, 2, 1. Ġon korru għal-biceps, għanamlu hammers, jek għanullu li dej tal-lemin, għamurru man naħlu ċest ta' xellu. Very good. Well done, good guys. Well done, keep it up. Good, well done guys, keep it up, Rosie. Immaġinaw, jiskom għandkom ballu ta' table tennis, per eżempju, fotofġu bej il-bicep u l-fora. Għata jibdaw ġudejkom. Last 10 seconds. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Għamlu kickbacks, alright, bend. Elbows u ġisimna, għamlu dejna l-ura dritti. Lana. Analiza, very good. Amelia Bondin, good. Lerin, tajjeb, another technique, very good. Prova bent, provi nżenna iktar l-isfel fuq, Isabel. Prova tbaxxana iktar. Very good, very good. Take biżejjed. Well done. Good guys, well done. Keep it up, process. Well done, good, good. Keep it up. Last 15 seconds, good. 4 seconds. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, rest. Guys, importanti kull exercise li għadin namlu bil-mod, alright? Speċjalment li għadin namlu dal-exercise li nollu dawru nislu, meta għadin nislu vera bil-mod, mux kollejna u nizzilna. Kollejna, dawarna u nizzilna bil-mod. Għanna naqabrik, u bel-ilma, seconds. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nerġaw bicep curl, induru, nislu. Slowly, bil-mod, quickly, bil-mod. Ek, dawar, bil-mod. Another slowly, very good. Good guys, hey, mela, bravi, good, process, well done. And Isabel, good. Sakrom, last 10 seconds. Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Għambidlu wara rasna minn fuq għall-isfel. Very good guys, very good. Thank you, Navi. Prova zom darikna iktar sod, Joseph, għaxet titbandal. Very good, Mark, process guys, process, well done, keep it up. Last 10 seconds to go, last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, dejna dritti, għanċatu r-risk. Għanċatu il-bot risk, il-fuq u l-isfel. Laħna. Very good. Good guys, good, well done. Last 15 seconds, keep it up, very good. Slowly up and slowly down, guys. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, ħamurru hammers. Bidej l-lemin ħamurru ma naħta ċesta xellu, un-bad fil-kontra. Tlaqna. Very good, guys, very good. few more seconds. That leg exercise last 10 seconds. U exercise you will put nofs session bħala, very good. Aħħar ftit, last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to bend down, alright? Elbows by our side. Għandu nibtaw dejna l-ura. Raqna. Very good. Keep it up, guys. Keep it up. Keep it up. You're doing great. Last 15. Last 15 seconds. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, rest. بالماء الاريا فريقو ليجز سويمس ملعب. Very simple exercise. We're going to do numbers. Exercise, we're going to remove the dumbbells. Now have a jumping jack on low jack from up, alright? The full and we touch our hands under our legs, alright? Like the exercise. Third exercise. Għanerġaw nibbendjaw l-isfel, nerġaw l-għal back. Issa flok għanarablu l-ġemp għanollu il-fuq. Immaġinaw għandkom kaxxa tal-luminata, jew xieri l-ogri basket, sawa għanollu il-fuq u l-isfel. Alright? That's the third exercise. Fourth exercise. We're going to remove the weights again. And we're going to do a cardio. We're going to do jog and punches. Alright? Fifth exercise. We're going to get the dumbbells. Għanamlu dritti, alright guys? Dumbbells, idejna għamlu ġin, nafkon openel, alright? U għanamlu l-isfel. Il-fuq, għanamlu l-isfel. Forse għandu għamna zaħt, taħħu għanamlu chicken dance. Idejkom ekki, alright? Dan, l-axħar exercise tal-back u l-axħar exercise tal-cardio. We're going to do this block. Let's do combo. Alright? Stop. Alright guys. Ready? Any questions? Alright. Count the sun and go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend down. And we're going to open to our side. Idejk għana li jisabu ġomnaħa, benti ġomnaħa idejk, għadmet tamil l-arja, very good. U iktar ma nibbaxxaw l-isfel, orrek iktar ma nitfaw ċess xejlak, iktar ħampossu ma nafġu muscles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, għan id-dilbu l-weights, għamurru għall-objects, l-għana, il-fuq u missu taħ. Namlu dik il-naqazajna ta' squat, nissu jdejna ma' xewxin, u nerġaw nitilaw, dejjem nħarsu l-qoddim. Few more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. هنرجع ناخد الويت. We're going to bend down. وهنقول له الويت يسند انه الباسكت. في السطح. شغال بدنا. عندي يجي. Very good. Stabiliu li meta qegħdin nollu jdejna, we need to contract our back muscles, ġifri darna, qegħdin nisqueezejaw. Few more seconds. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift the weight, jog and punch. Lana. Keep going, baqarhom. Inċallu jdejna fast kien jistajtu. Jidhom lura u qudiem, back, bicep, tricep, jdejna kollha. Importanti nżommu mat-tema, nħodu bħal-sallum. Kien jistajtu. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ħanabdu l-weights, u ħanamlu sa' 15 minutes. Right? Elbows, għan squeeze jaw l-isfel, jisna missu rib cage, elbows, very good, Jacqueline, brava. U tolli, good. Analiza, nara, very good. Isabel, good. Proset, guys, bravi. Jacqueline, elbows, this way, right? Good. 3, 2, 1. Naħu dumbbells, naħu exercise. Il-jog slowly, mal-go tiegħi ħanżidu. 3, 2, 1, go. Ħanċallu jdejna, parti, 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, Jacqueline, bil-mod, issa bil-mod. 3, 2, 1, we go again, Lana. 3, 2, 1, slowly, bil-mod. 3, 2, 1, 10 seconds, let's go. Keep pushing, laħħajna. 3, 2, 1, alright, great. We'll do first pedal back. Ready guys, nerġaw nibdow in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tlaqna bend. U għal-malġem. Għal-malġem bidejna. Tlaqna. Very good guys. Grazie, proset. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tlaqna low jack. Idejna l-fuq u missu idejna minn taħt. Saqajna. Namlu dik il-naqta squat. Dejn li fuq nħarsu dritti. Ġekli, dejna laħħa. very good guys, bravi, bravi. Keep it up, Rosen, well done, well done. Five, four, three, two, one. Nerġaw naqblu l-weights. Nerġaw bent over, alright? And row. Laqna, jizna nagħmlu l-kannistru. Baxxina Isabel prova, baxxina. Very good, like that, proset. Good. Well done guys, well done, proset, keep it up. Few more seconds. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Neħħejna l-weights u tlaqna fast punches. Let's go, jog and punch. Very good guys, very good. Few more seconds, l-aħħarna. Keep pushing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tlaqna għall-exercise. Għattiġiġ. Very good guys, good. We squeeze back. Squeeze and up. L-elbows irid ikunu naqlura iktar minn darkom u tniżlu l-isfel. Naqlura and squeeze, very good. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Neħħejna l-weights, last exercise. Jog slowly. On my go. 3, 2, 1, Lana. 3, 2, 1, slowly. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Three, two, one, slowly. Last 10 seconds starting in 3, 2, 1, Lana. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, alright. Now cool down guys. Nefs peress li speċjali fl-exercise tal-kardio importanti nibdew bil-ħadma l-pulmu. X'ħanagħmlu bidejna ma' xulxin, nagħmlu fuq il-pomod, nieħdu n-nies mill-nihirna, norġgħu mill-ħadma. Stretchaw il-fuq. See it, put it to the side. Compliment the nifs. Alright, bidejna ma' darna. Shoulders back, and then mhux iżejjed, shake your legs, your arms. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Yes. Of course, I am hearing you. Mela, you think I'm there? You know? Moira. Oh, yeah, Għatlekaw ijat imma